That's death.
Put a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
On today's episode, we're in nature. See that? Death. Death and God. Enjoy.
Is it Emery?
Yeah, great times.
So today's adventure, we're to be taking Emery to Hanging Rock. I've been here before, he has too. But Emery, he hasn't. So this is gonna be called Niggas in Nature. Niggas in Nature. He's going to die.
Day 66. We need water.
You know we're not even halfway up, right?
I know.
No, if we have to eat somebody, you're going first.
Pork meat tastes better.
No, because you're the biggest.
No.
Because we can
Oh, my bad.
we can use your bones as sticks and spikes.
But he's got more meat on his body.
I'll have if it makes you feel any better, I'll wear your skull as a symbol. Next is you. I'm sorry. If we all die, or somehow we need a blessing, we got God. It's fuck shit. See his girlfriend told him to be safe. Now he has to jump down. If you break your ankle, that was hard as fuck. Not gonna lie. Guys are literally the only people that would be like, you know what? Who needs water? Nutrition? I don't need that. Come on, I'm a real man. Remember, Alex, you fall down that cliff.
I'm not saving you.
Look, cause that. Oh shit, nigga, you got a little close to that stick to me. Yes, yeah, nah. Imagine going sliding down that shit.
Imagine this being
That's
my
death.
lifeless body.
Put a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
You just get rid of your walking stick, man. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Shark bait. Hoo-ha.
Shark bait! Hoo-ha-ha!
Alex. Your girlfriend's gonna see this. Proceeds to still go anyway.
Oh! Where are you going, boy?
Oh, we're literally going around the motherfucking mountain because the mountain's up there, and that's how we. And he proceeds. He's gonna get lost, but good luck. If we see his body somewhere, the only thing I'm concerned about is his car key.
Exactly. To his girlfriend, we're not sorry. It was about us and not him. Most definitely. But stay tuned.
Let's not talk about how you almost died and slipped like 4 times over there.
It's alright.
It's alright. It's just death.
You know?
It's
It's not natural.
it's all natural. Just imminent death. Do you really? Because once you go down there, a tree might pierce you.
You know, my dick can still get hard. If I just jump.
No, don't. Just legit. Like, get in your ass and, like, slide. Yeah, you might. Yeah, just be careful.
Say something to the camera before you do anything stupid.
Well, I'm get my gloves on, and Alex is running. Therefore, something's happening. I'm going to die. Guaranteed.
Puppy.
My stick.
What the? You proud of yourself? You're compensating for something. I just don't know yet. Nature.
Stay. Remember my stick.
Damn, nigga, you look like
Mutant, you nigga. Let's go.
murder him.
If you see, there's a law. Makes personal. We have to kill them. Shh. Let's go get some black.
We're going black hunting.
Don't
jump off.
You want pussy?
Front flip.
Do a front flip. Do a barrel roll. Fuck.
Do a barrel.